Good day everyone. I want to talk about this extension box, which is very important for all household. As I'm talking to you right now, millions of people are using extension box in their house or any electric socket. This extension box is very useful that can plug multiple gadgets in all kinds of electronics. But there are some gadgets that you cannot able to plug depending on the extension box we are using. Sometimes when you if most of the extension board will come with a switch, power switch, and anything that is particular. So as an engineer, we are about to repair this extension box. Extension box have nothing to do repair inside apart from wires. Because it's always controlled by wires, the left and the positive and negative, which already be arrangement. It's already be arranged already. So anytime extension box has problem, we just change the wire completely, or we just work some parts that have some disconnection inside. So that's the little work the extension box has. This extension socket. So it doesn't have a lot of work like that. So anytime your extension wire have a fault, it's just the wire that we just change. You see? So as we all see now, most people prefer good and quality extension wire because of extension box, so that we can able to connect multiple gadgets at once without no result. So and give you a better result of all things. So it's very necessary to have it in your home, especially if you are using a power in your house. The extension wire box is one of the important things to have. So as you see this video now, it's just to share the knowledge that everybody in the world must have this extension box after you are using power. So which is very important. So this video is only for educational purpose only. Thank you so much.